cold, it's rainy, and we are at California Adventure. So this is going to be what you can do at Disneyland when it rains, and when it's cold, and damp, and depressing. Well, you can do this when it rains, definitely. It's Harold!
Scan complete.
There we are! This is a possible maybe. We might do this one. An hour later, we're here. Oh. They're going down! Hey! Off the ride now. It is starting to actually like rain more, but since my phone is waterproof, I'm able to record with it. Lovely, lovely rainy day. All these places are closed now until April, and it's just empty. Goodbye, California screaming. I will miss you. And they're already taking apart the track. That's so depressing. I'm too big for this. There's Jade. Jade, say hi. Jade. Jade. This is what happens when there's a couple rides open. Snack break. I don't know what that is. Round 2 now. There it is! Yeah! People next to us did like the same exact thing. This says Hong Kong Disneyland on it. Is that what's happening at Hong Kong? What? Hey Spider-Man! Do you want to be in my vlog?
On your vlog? Hi there! Who am I talking to? Are there people inside there?
Yeah, there is.
Hi people!
Sad truth. And we're going to Disneyland. Disneyland! For some pizza. So we are in Disneyland! In here, this guy is cutting it all from hand, not even like tracing or anything. It's crazy. Tomorrowland. Pizza part! Launch bay time! Launch bay time! It's cold! So that's what Galaxy Edge is supposed to look like, and they gave us trading cards. It's the coolest thing ever.
We're gonna decode this whole thing.
This
is too much effort.
It's too much effort.
Nah,
but you need that. That's something to carry around.
Blah blah blah. Look at me, blah blah blah. Since you have time to comment on every post, here's the decoder. This is everything you need, alright? Look at it. Pause it. Pause here. Okay, now we want you to decode everything here. Zoom in so he gets a good shot. That better be the first comment you write.
The dark side has chosen you. Do you submit to its will and accept your fate? We've been expecting you. Welcome to your destiny. Complete.
On our way to Small World now. I'm walking in a never-ending puddle. We're on Jade's favorite ride now.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos.
How dark and depressing Fantasyland looks. So dark, so depressing. Look at him. He looks excited. So, we're now on Pirates of the Caribbean because that's how time works on YouTube.
Of course it does.
Yep. And we're cold. Fun fact, it's real! What is up with the sky? It's crazy. Oh my god, are we going to die today? Is that what that means? Are we going to die? Waiting for Indiana Jones in the rain is the absolute worst thing ever. It is cold, there are no awnings, just trees, and everyone's just miserable and wet. We are finally inside Indiana Jones after a long wait in the cold rain.
Why did they let us just use this walkway?
And Adventureland in all its rainy glory. This is usually super crowded and it's super empty right now. It's still rainy, but the Peter Pan line is bumping.
That's a whole number.
And we're back. We're actually going on Space Mountain next. We've been waiting in the line for like an hour already, but we're almost there. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Hey! Oh my god! And we are heading home now because it was a long, cold rainy day. Successful but cold. But it stopped raining, so we're gonna be easy driving to my heating blanket.
I'm an Instagram model. Follow me at Jade Graham on Instagram. Just letting you know. And once again, I'm an Instagram model. Jade Graham.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'd say she is.
No, yeah. See? Proof. Proof.
We are finished. You may go.